equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the battery replacement. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, place your device on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. As you lift the panel, you may notice some dust accumulation inside. It's a good idea to clean this out with a soft brush or compressed air to ensure optimal airflow and performance. Now, locate the battery. It is typically secured with additional screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of finesse, so take your time. Once disconnected, you can lift the old battery out of the laptop. Make sure to dispose of the old battery properly, following local regulations. Now, take your new compatible battery and place it into the battery compartment. Connect the battery connector back to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Next, replace the screws that secure the battery in place. Once that's done, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the back panel with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With our services, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, making your experience seamless and convenient. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.